In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your DoorDash promo code in November 2024. DoorDash promo codes are valuable for frequent users, offering cost savings on food orders, delivery fees, and service charges, which can add up over time. To do this, simply head into your Safari browser. It can be any other browser of your own choice. On the search bar, type in DoorDash promo code November 2024. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to choose a legit website. Just like this website that has 50% off for any purchase you make. Tap into that exact website. Go ahead and choose any coupon code you want. When the coupon is generated, you will have to just copy the code to clipboard and head to your DoorDash app. You can also tap right here to redeem directly to the official DoorDash website. You can also enter your email right here to not miss out on exclusive deals. All you need to do is just paste in the coupon code before making any payment. On the payment page, double-check down if your coupon is accepted and approved before proceeding. That's how easy it is to get your DoorDash promo code in November of 2024. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.